Why are dementia neurodegeneration treatments so limited? Imagine trying to fix a complex machine that keeps changing and breaking down in different ways. That's similar to how dementia, including Alzheimer's disease, affects the brain. The problem is that dementia isn't caused by just one thing. It involves many processes happening at once, which makes finding effective treatments very challenging. One major reason treatments are limited is because dementia involves the buildup of abnormal proteins in the brain, like amyloid beta and tau. These proteins form plaques and tangles that disrupt normal brain function. But simply removing these proteins doesn't fix everything because other issues, like inflammation and nerve cell loss, also play a big role. Researchers have tried to target these proteins with drugs, but so far, these efforts only slow down some symptoms and don't stop the disease from progressing. Another challenge is that by the time symptoms appear, a lot of brain damage has already happened. Neurons, or brain cells once lost, cannot be replaced. Treatments given at this stage can help with symptoms but can't reverse the damage. Early diagnosis using biomarkers is improving, but many people still find out too late for treatments to be most effective. Most of the treatments available today are aimed at managing symptoms, like medications that boost brain chemicals to improve memory or thinking. These don't stop the disease from getting worse. Recently, some new drugs that target amyloid proteins have been approved, but they only seem to work in the early stages of Alzheimer's. Treatments that target other aspects, like tau proteins or brain inflammation, are still in research and not yet widely available. Developing new treatments is also complicated because clinical trials need precise diagnosis and careful selection of patients. It takes years to see if a new drug works, and many potential treatments fail along the way. Side effects and access to these therapies can also be hurdles. Because dementia involves many different processes, scientists believe that combining treatments might be necessary. This could include medications, lifestyle changes, and cognitive exercises tailored to each person's unique situation. But this approach is still being developed and isn't yet standard practice. In summary, the reason treatments for neurodegeneration and dementia are limited is because the disease is so complex, often diagnosed late, and involves irreversible brain damage. While progress is being made with new diagnostic tools and promising therapies, current options mainly help manage symptoms rather than cure or halt the disease. Ongoing research aims to find better ways to target multiple aspects of dementia, offering hope for more effective treatments in the future. Always remember to consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and care.